This is the Irontrader. It is Tuesday morning. So, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, the API numbers for crude oil will be out today at 4:30. Now, just a couple of things for a heads up here. On the 12th, the CPI report will be out here, which is tomorrow morning at 8:30. And then the PPI will be out on the 13th, okay, and that will be Thursday morning. So that's going to measure inflation. So it's all going to be about the Fed here. So just keep that on your back burner. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Okay, so I put these side by side to show you exactly where the key resistant levels are. Okay, so right here, what you want to do is look at this key 100 SMA. You're sitting at 73.71. That's going to be very, very key resistance. And then we look on the weekly chart here, you got 73.78. That is your 21 SMA here. Okay, so now if you can get above, then what we do is we look at yesterday's high. Okay, so you're looking at 74.15, and then we go to the left here. Okay, you want to look here on 75.06. And then we want to look here at 76.11. We have 76.69. And then your target here is going to be 77.39. That is going to be your 200 SMA here. Okay. Now, here on your weekly is you want to launch as key 21 SMA here. And then we just follow the candlesticks on up like we did on the weekly. And then you have a nice target up here at 79.03 if you can close above the 200 SMA here on your daily. Big if. Now, again, if you can keep this running, you've got nice targets here at 83.53, and then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 84.95. Now, on the downside, now you can see how nicely this 8 SMA here crossed over the 21, crossed over the 50. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been just keep stressing this 8 SMA and the 21 SMA. Those are very, very key levels of support and resistance. Okay, so you can see how this is following all up. See how the candles came right on down and it's following it right on up. Now, any pullback down to this 8 SMA, if that holds, that is your buying opportunity. Okay, now the 100 SMA here, if you can close above, not like this candle here yesterday where you went above and came down. If you can close above, that's another buying opportunity here to either to add to your position or take a new position for it to go much higher. Okay, so on your support levels here, you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. This is sitting at 71.81. You want to watch this 50 SMA here, sitting at 71.28, and then we have your 70.50. That is your 21 SMA. Now you can see how nicely that this it's been holding here all the way through on the levels here, and now it looks like it might want to rally up here. If it does, watch yesterday's candle and then watch this key candle right here. Okay, this is at 75.06, so you don't double top it and then come all the way on down. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here's natty gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Okay, so if you look at your price channels, you're holding in very nicely. Okay, so you're at 2.87 on the top and 2.20 on the bottom. And you notice that the bottom price channel is rising on up now. That's always a very good sign here. Okay, so now it looks like you are above this key 8 SMA here, sitting at 2.67. Now, if you can stay above, then we look to this candle right here. You're looking at 2.74. Then we have 2.79. We have 2.82. And then your big retest there is 2.87. Okay, so that was going to be your upside targets. On the downside, you want to watch your 21. That's sitting at 2.58. You want to watch your 50-day sitting at 2.42. And then you want to watch this key 100-day sitting at 2.37. So the key is going to be that 8 SMA for support and the key 21-day for support. You can see how nicely that it's holding up. So look for the retest here at 2.87. Now here on your weekly chart here, everything is basically a nice sideways action here. Your 8 SMA here is still above your 21, sitting at 2.53. Your 21 sitting here at 2.41. You've got a nice bullish cross there. So as long as that maintains it, okay, this is going to be either sideways to up then. If that 8-day curls below that 21-day, then she's going to go lower. Now your target here is going to be your price channel sitting at 3.02, which is this top of this candle right here. Okay, so again, if it can rally up here, your big target here is going to be this 200-day sitting here at 3.76 if you can close above this price channel. So for today, just watch these key SMAs here. You're sitting at 2.53. This one here is sitting at 2.41, which lines up really nicely with the price with the SMAs here on your weekly chart. So that is going to be your support levels, and then watch the key resistant levels here on the top of these candles all the way to this candle here, which is the retest sitting at 2.87. All right, I will have more in depth here for you after the pick close at 2:30, and thanks for watching.